the train set from Ikea. It's a lot.
It's made of?
Softwood.
It's made of what?
Softwood.
Okay.
It's a lot.
Ito plastic. It's made of wood and plastic.
Yeah, wooden plastic.
Put them in the box, the train cars. Then next, we'll build the train tracks.
This is all train tracks.
We're supposed to build something like that.
Yeah.
We built it, dude. We have a train track.
Yeah.
I'll show the parts of the train track. It's a small bridge, small tunnel,
Small tunnel.
another tunnel.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, fix it. This one, what is this one?
Crossing.
How does it work? Okay. Okay, so you've built most of the parts. What is this one?
Stop sign, but
Stop sign. Oh, where will we put that?
here.
Okay.
So it's stop them for the cars.
Okay. What is that?
Big Ben.
Big Ben na naman. Okay, how do you play with it?
You push the train like this.
Train station.
Stop.
Ano yung sign yan? Show me the sign. What does it say?
Train station.
Okay. It's a sign for the train station. Go.
Okay.
Andito yung trains. Go. I wanna
Okay.
see the train.
Palapit mo para makita mo.
Hmm.
Tingnan mo. Like this po yung camera para makita mo.
Like this.
Oh no. Tumba.
Then close the barriers. Daan yung train.
Hindi that way.
Baliktad.
Yan.
Other way. This way. Akin naman na yung train.
Oops! Oh.
Bring the train here.
Hindi. Ayun mo. Yung tumba. Yung stop sign.
Okay. The bus should stop. Stop. Where's the train? Choo 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 choo. What's that? That's for the train station. Dapat
Yeah.
stop sign, bro. Stop! Stop, bus. Okay. Oh, where's the train?
Wait, papakabit ko lang dito. Yan.
Where's the train?
Here it is.
Pag wala na yung train, open the barrier.
Oops.
The squash. Okay, then you can close the barrier now. Going to the train station. Go.
Stick na stop right now.
Stop. Yun yung passengers.
Yeah. Okay, go for it. Oh no, there's a 1 3.
That's it. There there's your train tracks. Oh, what's that?
That's
What do you plan to do now?
we're gonna destroy the Big Ben on the train tracks.
Oh, wow. Which Big Bens are you building?
This one, the big one.
Okay, you'll build the big one and then you'll destroy them on the train tracks. Okay, I'll go. Okay, so what are you doing? You're building several small Big Bens again on the train track.
Move. There it is. Oh no, the reverse.
Other side, again. Padaanin mo sa ramp. Reverse, sige, reverse. Oh, sige. Dito. Okay na.
Yeah!
Ready, and...
Go! Go!
That's it. Poor Big Bens.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.